Click the subscribe button. Click the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a super easy recipe in two different ways. A 2-minute eggless mug cakes and a 2-minute flourless mug cake, both in peanut butter flavor. First let's see how to make eggless 2-minute mug cake. So take a bowl, add some all-purpose flour, sugar, some baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients. Then add in some milk, some vegetable oil, and the star ingredient peanut butter. Pour some vanilla essence for the flavoring. Now mix all together. Now add this into a microwave safe mug. You can do all these mixing in the mug itself. Now just level it. Now microwave this on high power for 2 minutes. Our eggless mug cake is ready. Now let's see how to make this flourless peanut butter mug cake. Take a microwave safe mug, add in 1 egg, some peanut butter and some sugar. Mix it really well using a small whisk or a fork. First, when you mix, you will feel like it is very much liquidy, but keep mixing it, then you can see it will turn into a cake batter consistency like this. Now level this up and microwave this on high power for 90 seconds. Now our flourless mug cake is ready. You can see how soft, airy and fluffy it is. It's not only flourless, but it doesn't have any baking powder, any milk, butter or oil. It is super delicious peanut butter mug cake. So do try out both the mug cake recipes and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.